Alright, so now we're going to put our kimchi together, and our kimchi is inspired by Sandor Katz's recipe here in Wild Fermentation. This is an excellent book. Everyone should have a copy of it. So to start with, we're going to do a small batch here so you can see the beauty of the layers. We're going to add some of our cabbage. Got some different types of cabbage. Going to add some of our golden beets, and our red beets, and our radishes, carrots, ginger, garlic. Yum! A little more of this cabbage up on top. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, now we're going to add some of our habanero and jalapeno. This is going to be a spicy batch, so watch out. And then let's add some turmeric. Yum! Alright, let's see how much water she takes. Sandor Katz suggests a ratio of about 8 cups of water to a half a cup of salt to make a basic root kimchi. So we used up almost 8 cups. So we'll use almost a half a cup of salt. Give her a little mix. And then you can mix your kimchi and taste it every day to see its progression, or every few days. And you can do it in a clear container like this so you can watch it, but it's really better to have it in the dark or in the shade. So for our next batch later on, we'll use this awesome crock. But this is gorgeous, this way you can see it. Next we'll put something on top to press down the roots and elevate the liquid. And I'm not going to do this right now because it's going to make a mess, but we'll basically let it sit like this for 2 weeks or so. Again, tasting it every day, and voila, homemade kimchi. Super easy, anyone can do it. Enjoy.